Kindi kigwerezi omugombore ya Isingo omurubukonzo West omu district ya Kasese ahishomero rya Isingo Muslim Primary School ahe bintu bitandikire kucwekerera bwa nyuma yo mururo kubarikaho umbararo bw'abeji obwabojo nabishiki okurugirira ahari muhindo Zubeda or metron wabishiki ahishomero rya Isingo Muslim Primary School nagira ngo murogo gutandikira umbararo bw'abishiki ngo konka barakukire kuguraza gutakagizire bigwashisha byinji.
It was at 8:30. We was seated outside. Then we had students shouting, "Fire, fire!" I entered inside. After entering inside, I asked myself, is it from the solar or what?
Ubwo korazo murro kurukugendo mbisho umbararo bw'abishiki bahurira kare kamani nuko kwirukira batyo umbararo bw'abojo bakashanga umurro nago gwabukwasire konke cyo mudisho murungi barafukire kuguraza nago gutakagizire by'amanu bigwashisha.
The second time we had boys also shouting, "Fire, fire!" That's in the dormitory of the heart of the boys. Then from there we entered inside. We met when the mattress has already it has burned also. Then the boys brought water and they poured on the mattress. They stopped what? Then they stopped it.
Zubeda nayongera jirangu omurro gugwine kuba guhemberwe abantu babire baherire uburaro bw'abejaba konga kandi ogunagira ngo bwa nyuma yo kwetegereza kurungi emyanya y'ihinguririze uburaro bw'abejaba tubashangireho umuntu wena.
Then after that I entered inside and confirmed that this fight should be coming from outside because our window the glass it had what? A blockage. So we had put a bed sheet to cover that hole. So by the time I reached near the window, the fire was being what? Increasing. We went behind. Let's go and see if there is any person who has done this. No one was there.
Polisi mu district ya Kasese ubwa hatera muneko kuchondoza okubasa kwetegereza kandi kamanya oburgo bwo mu rogo.
At the moment we have our detectives on the ground. They are recording statements from key witnesses. So we haven't yet established what could have been the cause.
Polisi ubwa hati mu district ya Kasese yamazire kuhamiza cyarumwe kwataruho umwe jinomwe obasize kubana y'icubwo mu rogo konga kandi yayongera kutunjira cyumwaka kumu abahekera ba ADF ubwo ari kugira ngo no batandikira mu cyogo.
We want to refute the allegations that had earlier on been speculated that the fire could have been caused by ADF. No, it is not true. Because first of all, the border is secure and there is no room for them to have entered into our territory.
Okurgira ahari mukuru w'ishomero Ali Abrahaman nagira ngo nk'ishomero baza kutekaho buryo okurebeka ngo abeji bakore bigezo byabo ebyo kuhendera incure ya kabiri aho naho okwenda ngo bakagendo muka berinda katabango kakubasa kuzarukamo.
So far we have resolved that at least these children we should do very quickly, give them the exams and then they go. Meanwhile we shall remain just organizing ourselves for building here the fence around the school. However, some of these I thank the security who had come for the rescue at night up to morning and we met them here.
Ebyona nibyijaho bwa nyuma yakireka tashyire nango na meza abiri ubwishomero rya Mpondwe rubiri ha secondary school mu district ya Kasese ryatahirirwa bahekera aba ADF kandi kabasa kubana rutwariramu amagara menji gasha kwa muhindo Gerard ahabwa Sky TV agenshonga
kuragandi hagutwinire nko muringo gumwe